everyone, welcome to Aryan Tutorials. So now we are going to discuss about the couple in engineering mechanics. So here what do you mean by couple? Here first we should know what is exactly a couple. So couple is described as a two unlike parallel forces acting on a body whose effect is to produce rotation of the body, that is moment of the body. So that means here, consider this is as a body. On this body, the two unlike means two opposite forces and parallel to each other acting on a body at a particular distance from each other. And the effect of these two forces is to produce the rotation of the body. Okay, that is about the couple. Couple means which produces the rotation due to the action of the two equal opposite forces on a body. Okay. So couple is described as two equal unlike parallel forces acting on a body, and the result of these two forces is to produce the rotation of the body, that is moment of the body. So next is the moment of the couple is determined by the product of the force and the perpendicular distance between the lines of action of the forces. So next line I am explaining how to find out the magnitude of a couple. Magnitude means how to find out a value of a couple whenever two known forces are acting, not two equal known forces are acting on a body. So here there is the product of the force and the perpendicular distance between the two forces. Both are equal only, so we have to consider any one of the two forces means both are equal only. So we have to take one value of the forces, that is F into perpendicular distance between two forces, that is R. So the moment of the couple, that is the magnitude of the couple, is equal to F into R, force into perpendicular distance. Okay, that is a way of calculating the couple whenever two equal unlike parallel forces act on a body. That is couple. So next thing, what are the practical examples of couple? So the practical example means in our real life, what are the situations we face about the couple. So that means here first thing is opening and closing of a water tap. So in our real life, while getting the water from the tap, will be opening and closing. So whenever by using two fingers you are opening and closing, so that is an example for a couple. So that means you used to apply two equal and opposite forces. So that is about the couple. Okay, so that is an example for couple. Next, turning a screwdriver. So screwdriver basically we use for loosening and tightening a screw. So when you are rotating the screwdriver for loosening and tightening, so you will be applying two equal and opposite forces on the body of the screwdriver. So that is also an example for a couple. So same as steering of a motor car, and similarly winding a watch with a key. For adjusting a time, you will be rotating a key. So that is also an example for applying a couple on the key for adjustment of a time. So these are the real-time examples. So next we go for classification of a couple. Again, what are the different types of couples are taking place? So here, depending upon the direction in which the couple tends to rotate the body, the couples are classified into two types. So that means again, based upon the direction of the two forces, that is two equal unlike parallel forces acting on the body, the different directions of the rotation takes place. So based upon the direction of the rotation, again two types of the couple. Okay, so what are the two types means here? First one is clockwise couple and second one is anti-clockwise couple. So based upon the rotation in which direction is taking place. If the rotation caused by the couple is in clockwise, that is clockwise couple. If the rotation caused by the couple is anti-clockwise, that is anti-clockwise couple. Okay, that is simple thing. So here I am giving a normal diagram as an example. So the couple means the two equal and unlike parallel forces are acting like this. Okay, right side downward and left side upward. So which causes the clockwise rotation of the body. So that is called as clockwise couple. Similarly, which produces the anti-clockwise. So this right side force is acting upward and left side force is acting downward. So this causes the anti-clockwise rotation of the body. So that is called as anti-clockwise couple. So based upon the direction of the rotation produced by the couple, we are having two types, that is clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, this is about the couple in engineering mechanics. So I hope you understand this is the simple topic of a couple based upon the two equal opposite forces acting on a body. So I hope you understand. And once again, thanks for watching my video, and thank you all. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and feel free to ask any doubt regarding the topic, so that I can improve my explanation, and I try to modify my way of explanation better to be understood by you guys. So again, thanks for watching my video. Thank you all.